In this video, I'm going to teach you the trick, simple geometry, and it looks like this. So before we take a look at this trick horizontally, of course we want to learn how to do it vertically. So we're going to throw the yo-yo and do a double or nothing, and as the yo-yo is coming around our opposite hand for the first time, we actually want the string to go around either our wrist or the back of our opposite hand and not our opposite hand pointer finger. And I'm going to touch on why that's important a little bit later on in the video. From here, we're going to swing the yo-yo in front of the string that it's mounted on, and then swing it once more in that direction, landing on top of that string. Then we can undo that motion twice, and then we want to stick out our middle finger on our opposite hand, hopping the yo-yo over it, and then landing the yo-yo into an undermount. From here, we can drop the string on our throw hand pointer finger, and the yo-yo is going to be in an undermount from a trapeze. From here, we can do a Mobius Maneuver, and the yo-yo is going to be swinging in the opposite direction, and we can swing the yo-yo into a 1.5 mount. From here, we can drop the string on our opposite hand pointer finger, and the yo-yo is going to be in this keychain mount. From this mount, the yo-yo is going to be swinging in the direction of our opposite hand. We can land the yo-yo on all the strings, hop off in the opposite direction, and after the yo-yo comes over, we can drop the string on our throw hand pointer finger. The yo-yo is just going to be spinning at the end of the string, and then we can bring the yo-yo into an undermount, perform a bind. So that's the vertical section. Make sure you master that before moving on to the horizontal version of the trick. So for the horizontal version, first we're going to start with the throw going directly into the horizontal double or nothing. When you're first working on horizontal double or nothing, you want to keep that tip that I mentioned at the beginning of the video in mind, which is to always land the first segment of string around either your opposite hand wrist or the back of your opposite hand, not your opposite hand pointer finger. And the reason for this is that you have a lot less room for error in horizontal double or nothing. So if I go around my pointer finger, it's actually really easy to hit both of the strings, and overall it's just really hard to hit them out. But if you land the first segment of string around your wrist or the back of your hand, you'll have a much easier time hitting horizontal double or nothing and moving on to the next part of the trick. Other than that, horizontal double or nothing works just the same as horizontal trapeze, which is to say that you don't want to try to land the yo-yo really far away from your opposite hand pointer finger, because that's just way too difficult. So you want to keep the yo-yo as close to your opposite hand pointer finger as possible, which is going to make you much more successful when landing horizontal double or nothing. Before you move on to the next elements of the trick, you might just want to practice going into horizontal double or nothing, unrolling, and then binding, and doing that over and over until you feel really comfortable hitting horizontal double or nothing. But once you have that mastered, now we can move on to the swinging the yo-yo above the mount, just like this, and then we want to stick out our middle finger, go into an undermount, drop your throw hand pointer finger, and then go into a Mobius Maneuver, reversing the direction of the yo-yo. If you're not sure how to do a Mobius Maneuver, then you definitely want to check out our video for that. So after the Mobius Maneuver, the yo-yo is going to be going in the direction as if I just threw it, so we can swing the yo-yo into a horizontal 1.5 mount. And the horizontal 1.5 mount works exactly like the horizontal trapeze and the horizontal double or nothing, which means that you want to land the yo-yo as close to your throw hand pointer finger as possible. If you try to swing the yo-yo when it's really far away, it's going to be much more difficult to hit the mount, so just really focus on keeping the yo-yo as close to your finger as possible. After the yo-yo goes into the mount, you can take out your opposite hand pointer finger and the yo-yo is going to be in a keychain. And then just like how I showed you in the vertical section of this trick, after it goes around once, you want to take your opposite hand pointer finger and land the yo-yo over it, landing on top of all three strings. From here, you can take your opposite hand pointer finger and pull it out, which is going to reverse the direction of the keychain. After one full revolution, we're going to throw the yo-yo down or out when we're doing it horizontally by dropping the string on our throw hand pointer finger. When you're first trying to do this, it might look something like this. Not very exciting. And so to make it look much more exciting and to get the yo-yo much higher in the air, what you want to do is really swing the yo-yo when it's on your opposite hand side and really push your throw hand forward, which is going to propel it as much as possible. After the yo-yo shoots out, you want to take your opposite hand and put it to the throw hand side of the string so that you can pull your throw hand straight back, landing the yo-yo into an undermount. And from there, you can perform a bind. And that trick is simple geometry. After the yo-yo goes into the mount, then you can drop your opposite hand pointer finger